Hey everyone! Pop-up ads out of nowhere? Pages opening by themselves? Your homepage suddenly changed? That's not random. That's adware. It snuck in and it's watching what you do. Good news! You can kick it out in a few minutes. In today's quick tutorial, you'll learn how to remove adware from Windows 11 for good. Let's jump right in. Adware hides in two places, your browser and your system. We'll clean both, starting with the browser. First, open Chrome or Edge. Click the three dots at the top right, then Extensions arrow, Manage Extensions. Look for anything you didn't install. Toolbars, shopping assistants, anything sketchy. Click Remove on everything you don't recognize. Think of it like evicting someone who moved into your house uninvited. If you didn't add it, it doesn't belong there. Next, reset the browser to undo what the adware changed. In Chrome, go to Settings arrow, Reset Settings arrow, Restore settings to their original defaults. In Edge, it's Settings arrow, Reset Settings arrow, Restore settings to their default values. This kills the homepage hijack, the search hijack, and any redirects it added. Heads up, this also switches off every extension, so after the reset, re-enable the ones you actually use, like a password manager. Finally, let's make sure nothing's hiding deeper. Open Windows Security, then click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Scan Options, choose Full Scan, not the quick one, and hit Scan Now. Adware often installs a silent helper app in the background. A full scan catches the ones hiding outside your browser. If this is helping so far, give us a like and subscribe for more quick tips. And stick around, because next up, I'll show you browser extensions that are spying on you. And that's it. Remove the extensions, reset the browser, run the scan, and those pop-ups are gone. Did you find anything weird hiding in your extensions? Drop your questions in the comments. We're always here to help. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Let's take your privacy back.